My name is Jerry Hobdy of Meno Home, and I am here in the first 30-day 30K Eco Design Challenge home. I'm a furniture and lighting designer. I've been doing that for over a decade with major brands, and my passion is sustainability in furniture supply chains, specifically reducing waste, reducing toxins, and reducing the carbon footprint. When my husband and I decided to renovate this property, I felt like, okay, well, can I take those same principles and scale them up to a small built environment? So for me, I thought this would be a great challenge. We were able to, in 30 days, with $30,000, do an entire home renovation. And we were able to calculate how we reduced waste, how we selected non-toxic finishes for the entire project, and how we significantly mitigated a large amount of carbon. Turns out it made a huge impact. This is what we were able to do in 30 days with 30K on one project. If we have just one participant every month for the next year, this is the kind of impact we can have collectively by doing this in a fun way. I'm so excited to share that we're partnered with the Good Future Design Alliance to bring the 30-day 30K Eco Design Challenge to the national level. Our whole goal with launching this with the GFDA is to help inspire positive action, not just continue the conversation. We're really here to support you guys, and we want to help give you the tools that it takes to not only budget and achieve your project, but also be able to calculate the real data-backed impact of what you're doing. It's just a really fun way to have a community-based space to figure this out together. All right, so excited for you guys to join.